Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of Christmas. And believe it or not, I do not think I have a Christmas kit for this week, for this planner. So I was just going to use this black and white. And I'm kind of like, that's so boring. So I grabbed some Christmas washi tapes that I have from Sweet Kawaii Design. And I just kind of pulled out like my Christmas thing of stickers here. So I think we're just going to go for it. I have no idea what I want to do yet. I love this. But yeah, I just figured we'd do whatever's happening together. I do have some like leftover pieces. And then I have these die cuts that are very cute that I might use too. Maybe I'll be doing some of that. That's nice. Alright guys, I hope everybody's doing good. Sorry for like the totally off schedule. Things have been a lot lately. Just extra trying to figure out how to get everything done. So thanks for your patience. Sorry if it got cut off for a second. My husband called me real quick. So let's see, Monday is the 20th, which I probably should know, but for whatever reason, it's like not sticking out in my head. Are you guys ready for the holidays? Like, I hope some of you guys are off because that's awesome. My kids are off. My husband is off. So that's good. And then we have my husband's family's coming over on Thursday, and we're gonna have a Christmas party. And then on the 25th, we'll be in Tampa. We're gonna leave the 24th when I get off of work. So that should be interesting. Trying to like squeeze it all in. Okay, sorry if some of that was cut up. Ooh. Let me use this weekend banner because that's fun and festive. Love it. And we should do the presents for Christmas Day, huh? Okay. Maybe use a this week sticker. Alright, I am going to go ahead and pull some of these Grinch stickers. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. Why is that so cute? I almost feel like it's too cute to use. I like the tree a lot, and I know that it seems silly to put it in the middle of the planning page, but I think I'm going to do it anyways. Because I want to have this guy, have the pickle. Ooh, I have this, but that's not really positive, is it? Stink, stink, stunk. And then it's kind of repetitive. So, ooh, you know what I do have? There was a freebie Friday. Here it is. Which has this garland. I'm going to put that in the middle and see if I can move this sticker. Fun. I do have lights and these. don't think well, I was gonna use this. I'm like, maybe the TV doesn't really have anything to do with anything. This is actually a gift label. But I'm gonna put it there. I wasn't gonna use these bottoms, but I think it might just tie it all in. Thinking maybe I use these penguins. 'Cause they're cute. They're so cute. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to leave it like that, and then I will fill in exactly what I'm doing on that side. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being patient with me getting videos up, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.